it's been clouded. We didn't know if we were able to see it on the air.
You're now documenting the first moments of Samuel seeing the Matterhorn.
It's so
on this
beautiful,
trip.
dude. It is so beautiful.
Look at that. We've gotten much closer here to the Matterhorn.
Much closer, and it looks like we're gonna get some great sunlight, so we're gonna get up there. I have authorization to take off the drone, which I didn't have last year.
Right.
So we're gonna put it up and see what we can see.
The Matterhorn that has now almost fully lit up. Sun is coming up in this direction somewhere. Can't really see, it's pretty dark, but oh my gosh. Samuel, are you authorized?
Yeah, I am authorized.
Okay. We're gonna get some crazy shots here.
We are now going to go back down, rally up with the guys, get some coffee. It's been very successful. I gotta tell you, the forecast showed 99% of clouds, and look, that's like 6% of clouds. So don't trust the forecast, trust your heart.
We are officially leaving the Matterhorn. We got some excellent footage. It was a beautiful sunrise. Definitely glad we woke up for it. Now we're heading back down the mountain, and we're gonna get some pastries and maybe a little bit of coffee to wet our willies.
We are now here slurping on some succulent coffee, eating on some succulent croissants. Croissants. We're just kind of chilling out, waiting for the other guys to wake up so we can get the day started. It's grocery time, but we have had a pretty eventful day already, and these pastries.
Oh, mamma mia.
By the way, we got 2 coffees, $23.
Absurd.
But boy, is it good.
Alright, it's time to stock up on groceries. We've got a big hike tomorrow. We're gonna need plenty of fuel. Head to the store. Alright, so all this stuff to see what's here. So the weirdest thing, I originally got the 6 eggs or whatever, however many it was, 10 eggs, yeah. And it was like $6. But I found these, it's 15 eggs, and it was like $3.
No.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. Don't even let that thought into your mind if you want bananas with your eggs. Yep, $6 for bananas with your eggs. You're paying $1.50 a banana.
$1.50. They're probably grown in Africa and flown in.
Yeah, probably. African
Oh, Matt, you good? You good, Matt?
I'm in.
Matt, can you breathe? All right, Josh, can you get some Wim Hof? I got some.
Wait, you're sucking up all the O.
I can't breathe.
We're out of O.
Neil, you here?
Oh, there it is.
He's here.
Earn that coffee and croissant.
Those gaps are burning.
I'm sick of how here. I was drinking a gallon of water today, but I was back home, leading up to this trip for a week.
How'd you feel? How'd it make you feel?
Wet. I felt very hydrated, and I had to pee a lot.
Very urination full.
Let's take a look at this here.
What are you doing? What are you doing there? What are you doing? What are you
My
doing?
fingers back in place after carrying those waters.
I gotcha. That's good.
I really hope this isn't carbonated.
Slam that sucker.
Uh-oh.
Slam it. Yep. Oh my. Oh, Josh is going too. Oh. So Matt's the top row, Mr. Neil's the bottom row?
No.
Olive's the top row.
Oh, that's the way Sam. I mean,
Get out of the way,
I'm
Sam.
sorry, I'm just trying to figure out what the system is.
We got eggs.
that weren't refrigerated. Let's take a vote. All in favor of refrigerating them?
Put one in the refrigerator and 2 not.
I'm with the refrigeration. That makes sense.
Yeah, but if they weren't refrigerated to begin with, what if we mess them up?
What if we mash them up?
Oh, they're cold. They should be in the refrigerator.
Greetings, travelers. As you can see, we are now on the Gornagot train, and we are just now taking off. Please stay seated, keep your arms to yourself, and enjoy the ride. As you can see, we are on the top of the Gornagot. And as you can also see, the views kind of suck.
There's no views.
It's opening up.
Our plan is to stay here and freeze until it opens up. As you can see, it's snowing. And I have my snow shorts on.
We just finished an amazing lunch up at the highest hotel in the Swiss Alps. Delicious lunch, and we're contemplating how we're getting back down. Looks like we're probably going to be hiking back down about 2 or 3 hours in a surprise 2 or 3 inches of snow cover while we were eating lunch. Fell. And yeah, this is what we're here for.
Okay, it's 4 o'clock. You know what that means? The descent begins. Oh!
We're off. We're saving 55 Swiss francs. Walking down our side.
All right, we've ridden this far. The sky's clearing up. We're at the Reflection Lake. Josh, what's kind of the game plan here?
The game plan is to hike all the way into where we can't see. We're going to Gilderberg, and then we're gonna keep on going down. We're about 20% through here. We underestimated this downhill scramble. We're almost back. We got the forest of darkness and treachery in front of us. Making our way to Zermatt. Got a big hike tomorrow. This is just a warm-up. We're sharpening our bones like knives. Oh, there's some deer right there. Come over here. See them right down there? Oh no, those are horses. No, those are goats.
What are those? We have made it to the road. All roads lead to Zermatt.
Oh me, oh my. We are once again off the beaten path. Heading down into the city. 18 miles into our journey. Hopefully this will be the last one. Private way. Durchgang verboten. We cannot enter there. What that says is that is a private property. It says do not enter. We've been brushing up on our German. That's exactly what it says.
Oh. We're back in our favorite. Oh, what are you doing?
Whoa, what was that?
He's hitting me with his pole.
Oh,
He's hitting me with his pole.
I didn't hear.
It was tight back there.
A completion on hike number 1 of the trip.
Oh yes sir it is.
Alright, can everyone give me their status levels?
Status level ready to go.
Mistake, big mistake.
Big mistake.
Yes.
We got a big mistake from Nitro, Bruce. Matt, how you feeling?
I'm primed. I'm primed and ready to go. In fact, I'm so primed.
Oh no! Oh! I can't believe it! No way, dude. He's finishing it off.